I'm just waiting for that thing to fall.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Now try your worst.
Wait, Preston, get on recording.
Dad, are you recording?
Yeah.
Want me to record? Oh, that doesn't sound good. Just keep jumping. Just like let your feet leave the floor you're standing
I say
on.
lay down in it.
I would not go on that roof. It's very flimsy. Avery, use it as a boat.
Yeah. You want to sail, you want to get your points, don't you? You have to sail it to the end.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Absolute mad lad. Absolute mad lad.
That's a microwave.
No, that's not a microwave.
Yeah, it is.
That's not a microwave.
What do you call it?
That's an air conditioner.
No, it is not.
What's that? Oh, it is a microwave!
Well, yeah. I told you so. What's that other thing next to it? Is there any food in there?
Nah.
Okay. No, what's that other thing?
Never mind. It's busted.
Nuh-uh, that's a plug. What's that other thing next to
very
it?
Deep.
Is it?
Look at.
Oh man.
That is really.
What is that white thing?
I don't know.
Hey, don't move stuff around don't make it obvious that we were back here. Don't move stuff. Are you trying to take that microwave?
You want the microwave?
Well, that might be theft. I mean,
Because they're using it.
I don't think. Listen, I know what you're saying, but to walk out of here with a microwave.
Avery, don't let it get in the water. Make sure it's not plugged in.
Oh, it's not plugged in.
Are you sure? Here, I'll get it.
What's that other white thing though? Avery.
I don't know what it is.
Well, what's it look like?
Looks. Careful with that.
Yeah, that's his microwave.
I don't know. It's like a big motor.
I slipped. I'm sorry.
It looks like a big motor.
Get away.
We should see if
it's
it-
not gonna go.
Is it launched?
It's launched. Look, right there and right there.
Damn, boy.
We should see if it works before you drag it all the way.
Yeah, plug it in. Find
Home.
an outlet in there, Avery.
Oh, all of them are clipped.
Oh, they're all
It's a safety
clipped.
hazard.
Safety hazard.
Hmm.
Darn.
I thought that was a spider.
Probably was.
Ooh, that was close.
That's a cool moon. Full. See it? Right there. Well, that's a nice looking microwave. You even have a popcorn function. Look at that.
Cutting board too. The ultimate collection.
Whoa, it's like a whole
Wait,
kitchen.
What else is in there?
Let me go check.
Gloves.
Yeah,
Yeah, you need
gloves.
you need cooking gloves. Of course you do. It's a little solid, but it'll get the job done.
That's a welding glove.
It is?
Wait, see if there's a welder in there.
Both have to do with
Wait.
cooking. This looks like a welder. Weld away.
That's not a welder. That's a water pump
Oh darn.
It is a water pump.
for the sink.
You're a sink.
What's that
This
white
is
thing,
sink.
Preston?
I can't move. It's heavy.
Looks like air conditioning.
Yeah?
It's got a vent. And another vent.
Do you see anything else in there?
The vent. If you need really well these things,
Mm-hmm.
you're welcome.
See if there's anything else in there.
Well, you were in there, weren't you?
Well, yeah, but I
Avery,
didn't.
I would like to remind you, I have your stuff now. I could do it. I could do it. I'm gonna sing it. Okay, hold on, I'll do that.
What's that?
Piece of metal.
Part of the microwave.